What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you two chart patterns that can make you a ton of money in the stock market. These two chart patterns are great no matter if you're a beginner or an expert trader. All right, let's first talk about what are chart patterns and why do we use them. So chart patterns are basically made from a combination of the candlesticks and levels, or the candlesticks, trend lines, and the levels. Okay, so you use these chart patterns because they give you high probability setups. All right, so trading is a game of probability. So you need to be able to say, okay, this stock is more than likely to do this than that, or to do that than this. All right, so the two that you're going to learn today is going to be the bull flag and the bear flag. Let's first start off with the bull flag. The bull flag is a continuation pattern to the upside. Okay, so when you see this, you are wanting to only trade this to the upside. So what this looks like is you will find a stock that has a nice run up and it will form a pullback. Okay, and the way that this pulls back, the trend line should be going diagonal like this, and you will see a consolidation in the stock. So why is it called a bull flag? It's a continuation pattern that is bullish. All right, these are high probability setups, so you only want to trade them in the direction from which they came. Bull, bullish, going up. Okay, so when you see this pattern, you see the pole, you see the flag, you're looking for it to break out right here. Okay, you're looking for it to break out. It's going to look something like this, and it's finally going to break out, and you're looking to take it when it breaks out, and you're looking for a continuation. Okay, so I'm going to show you a example of me using the bull flag on Amazon. So I actually use this chart pattern on Amazon to make money. All right, so as you can see here, Amazon, what do we say that you need? You need a run up and you need a pullback. Okay, and the thing about these trend lines that we talk about is these trend lines actually act as a place of support and resistance. So notice that Amazon is pretty much bouncing from this top trend line to the bottom, top to the bottom until it breaks out. And notice when it broke out, it has ran. So I was able to make $273 day trading this because I seen this breakout on a larger time frame. Okay, now I also want to tell you guys that the time frame that you see this bull flag pattern on is important as well. The larger the time frame, the larger the move. So if you see a bull flag pattern on a 1 minute chart, that pattern may not last for that long. But if you see a pattern such as the bull flag on a daily chart, which means every candle represents a single day, this breakout can happen for multiple days in a row. Like right now, we've been breaking out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 days that we've officially been breaking out of this pattern. Okay, so that is the bull flag. You're gonna see this pattern occur a lot. Key points is you only want to play this when a stock is bullish. Okay, and really when the overall market is bullish. These continuation patterns are best used when the overall market is going in that same direction. That means when SPY and QQQ are also bullish. Okay, so that is the bull flag pattern. All right, the second pattern I'm going to teach you is this pattern's evil twin called the bear flag pattern. Okay, so the bear flag pattern is the exact opposite. It's bearish, so that means that we're looking to take this trade to the downside, and it looks just the opposite. You have a down move here, and then it forms the flag with the two trend lines, right? And you're only looking to trade it to the downside. All right, only look to trade these continuation patterns in the direction from which they came. Okay, in the same way Same rules apply for the bear flag. You really only want to take the bear flags when the overall market is also bearish. When you take these continuation patterns and the overall market SPY and QQQ are going the opposite way, that is going to lead to fake outs. But as long as you take these patterns while the overall market is going the same direction, I promise you, your win rate is going to be 70, 80% plus. These patterns work that much, and these patterns occur pretty much every single day in the stock market. Okay? And just like the bull flag pattern, this pattern can occur on different time frames. Okay? So I'm going to show you my most recent bear flag that I traded, and it was actually today on NVIDIA. So if you look at NVIDIA here, if we take a look at NVIDIA, we have to go to the 1 hour chart. Okay? And if you look at the 1 hour chart, you can see on NVIDIA, you have your down move, and then you have your flag. All right? So what are we looking for? We're looking for it to break down from here. Okay? Now, there are multiple different methods of entry, which we are not going to get into today. But you would use your method of entry as you see this breaking to take it down to the next level. Okay? So we did just that, and I was able to make over $140 day trading NVIDIA puts because I seen this bear flag. And notice what I said earlier, you only want to take these when the overall market is doing the same thing. Take a look at what SPY did early as well. So SPY, I'm going to clear this out. Same chart, 1 hour chart. SPY was doing a little bit of the same thing. Okay. So SPY also looked like a little bit of a bear flag. And as SPY was breaking down these first couple candles here, NVIDIA was also breaking down. But notice as SPY started to reverse, NVIDIA reversed as well. Okay, so these two chart patterns are absolutely amazing. I use these I've been trading for 6 years, and I use these chart patterns pretty much every day still. Okay, so let's talk about some key points for these chart patterns. You have the bull flag and the bear flag. The bull flag is a bullish continuation pattern. You only want to trade it when it's going the same direction. Okay, so only trade a bull pattern to the upside. The bear flag, you only want to trade bear flag to the downside. All right. These patterns are best used when the overall market is going the same direction. All right. So when the overall market is bullish, look for stocks that have bull flags. When the market is bearish, look for stocks that have bear flags. So I hope this short video was helpful. If you want more videos about the bull flag and bear flag, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I love trading using chart patterns. I love to trade and teach using things like this because it makes trading a lot easier. All right. Trading is a game of probability, and I'm going to teach you how to put it in your favor to make money. So if you like this, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.